Spain's refit season brings the spotlight on terms like TPA, or inward processing. This customs procedure offers non-European vessels VAT-exempt refits in Spain, resulting in a 21% VAT saving. Notably, these savings extend to invoices from both Spanish and other registered suppliers. Plus, spare parts related to TPA can avoid custom import taxes and VAT. But navigating TPA processes requires expertise. Evolution Yacht Agents, a Spanish authorized economic operator, stands out with an in-house legal team and registered customs agents, ensuring comprehensive guidance without intermediaries. We simplify the process across various Spanish ports, ensuring compliance with all fiscal and customs mandates. With over 450 successful TPAs, Evolution guarantees transparency, efficiency, and adherence to all standards. Our unwavering 24/7 commitment ensures you're always supported. Choose Evolution for unparalleled savings and operational efficiency in Spain. Let's talk.